Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the Collision Insights feature, which will be available from the Mantis Recon platform. Collision Insights is a first notification of loss collision reconstruction report. This pulls together data about a collision from various different sources. For example, camera data, whether it be a dash cam or full multi-camera system, and telematics data, such as GPS location, speed, and G-force events like harsh braking or cornering. This brings together the data into a full collision reconstruction, which can then be shared directly with an insurance provider. The benefit to the insurance provider is that they can quickly handle and resolve a claim, whether it be own fault or non-fault. The faster a claim is resolved, the more control the insurance provider can keep on the costs and the lower the overall cost of the claim. This will have a positive benefit to the insurance premiums for the fleet operator. I'm now going to give you a demonstration. In the Mantis Recon platform, when video evidence has been added to the evidence center, if it's a collision, at any point the customer can click the Collision Insights button. This will then automatically create the Collision Insights reconstruction report. This is split into two sections. First of all is a full playback of the collision, including telematics data like GPS location, speed, and G-force events, and then also gives the fleet operator the chance to add additional information about damage to the vehicle, the type of the vehicle, and any other evidence such as pictures or notes. The full collision reconstruction can be viewed by pressing the play button. Here we can see the speed of the vehicle, and at any point, any G-force events like harsh braking or cornering were detected in or around the point of impact. It will then use this information to calculate a likelihood chance of injury. This is great because it gives the insurer a much clearer picture of what happened in the run-up to the collision. The fleet operator can also then add in additional information. For example, the type of vehicle and damage. Just go to the Setup tab, and here we can select the type of vehicle, whether it's a car, van, bus, pickup, HGV. Put in information like the driver's name, and then select any areas of potential damage. They can select an area and then choose the severity of the damage. You can choose any combination of areas on the vehicle and any combination of damage. You can also mark any potential damage to tyres, or wing mirrors and windows. Finally, the fleet operator can put in any notes that may be relevant to the collision. For example, names of witnesses, other vehicle registrations, driver contact details, or a description of what they believe happened in the run-up to the incident. They then press complete. This will be added to the collision reconstruction report. In addition, they will also get a snapshot of the weather conditions at the time of the collision, which is great if there are any factors such as water on the road or frost or ice. And it will automatically include any camera data that was uploaded to Evidence Center in Recon. The fleet operator can also send a request link to the driver or third parties or witnesses so that they can send in photos about damage or what may have happened. And they can also manually upload media files and photos that may be relevant to the collision. Once this is complete, they can go to the Share button and click Share. Here, they can select all the information to be shared and the email address of the insurance company. When they click Share, the insurance provider will receive a secure link which will be open for 10 days, and this will provide them a full link to this collision reconstruction report and all the available media. Media like the camera footage and photos can then be downloaded onto the insurer's computer if they need to be stored for a longer period of time or reviewed. But essentially they'll get all the information about the collision reconstruction in one place so they make a quick decision about who is culpable and indeed control the costs of the claim by making sure the claim is handled as swiftly as possible. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed the demonstration.